We are all stargazers wondering about our place in the cosmos. This past year saw record investments in the new space industries and companies, which means more space jobs and opportunities are coming. Given all this, why don't students have access to telescopes like they do microscopes? Now, educators, students and families have access to Slooh's online observatories to explore space just like professional astronomers via a computer interface to a network of robotic mountaintop telescopes. It's time to reimagine how you teach astronomy in your classroom. These are infographic posters created by students on their own exploration of space using a global network of telescopes right from the classroom. For years, educators using Slooh's online telescopes have built authentic engagement with Slooh's NGSS-aligned learning activities called quests. They're designed to easily fit into your busy school schedule. Quests can be completed within a day or two, while others follow celestial phenomena over several days, such as replicating the discovery of Pluto, monitoring changing lunar phase, or tracking solar activity. So reimagine how you teach astronomy and introduce live astronomy into your classroom to build engagement for your students as they explore the universe with Slooh's online telescope.